Hello everybody. I want to make this quick video because I wanted to show you this tutorial on how to, there's this formula, there's this method that I discovered to how to find divisible numbers of a value very quickly. And I wanted to show you how to do it real quick. So the basic way to do it, so we have n and that represents the number. And the way we do this is we multiply n by 2, then by 10, and then divide by 5. And then whatever we get, the result of this, we do it again. We just multiply that by 2, then by 10, and divided by 5. Then that's the way we do that, and we just keep repeating. And I discovered if we do that, we'll always get the number. You'll always get numbers that come around and are divisible. Let's see an example. So let's create another page here, and let's write 4. So we write 4 as the number. We write 4 times 2 times 10 divided by 5. And what does that equal to? So 4 times 2 would be 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. And 80 divided by 5 is 80 divided by 5 is 16. So now we have 16, and we can multiply, and we can divide. 16 is a multiple of 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So we can divide that, and we can divide that by 4 and get 4. Let's do it again. 16 times 2 times 10 divided by 5 is equal to, so 16 times 2 times 10 divided by 5 is equal to, let's do that again, times 2 times 10. 16 times 2 times 10. And we divide this by 5, and we get 64. And we do that again with 64. This is the last time we'll be doing this for this example, but you can do this for any other number, and it'll work the same way. So let's multiply 64. 64 times 2 times 10 divided by 5, and we get 256. And since we got this number, we can get, so we get 16, we write it in like this, 1664. And now, but any of these numbers we divide by 4, and 4 is original. 4 is the original number in this, and I think I spelled number wrong, but that's okay. 4 is the original number, and we can divide evenly by 4 in each one. So we divide 256 divided by 4 is 64. 64 divided by 4 is 16, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. Sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. So the way you do that is you can just keep doubling, and no matter how high you go, you will always know the original number. The only thing you just got to keep in track of is what is your original number, and you got to just keep remember this formula. And thank you, and have a great day.